The Qtec daily chart with the relative retrace magnet up could become confirmed today as it has qualified status now. There was an up close followed by a down close followed by an up close above this level in question, the magnet level. So if there's an open higher than this close for today on the 29th, ticks higher than this high for today on the 29th, and then closes above this close for today on the 29th, then this level will become qualified and confirmed. And then the next hurdle is the relative retracement disqualified up 3, then the disqualified up 4, get through those, and there's the 100% propulsion qualified and confirmed exhaustion up, get through that. Then price is at the all-time closing high 180.25, and there's the disqualified up 5 there, and up here will not be a straight shot. We will have some ups and downs, but get this qualified and confirmed, and this one is the goal next. And price in the pre-market hours on the 29th at 6:27 a.m. Central Time for the U.S. Tech 100 is 16,097, and it's up 0.5% in the pre-market hours. Same thing with the S&P 500, so there's a good chance of getting that magnet level qualified and confirmed today. And it's the same thing in the S&P 500. Magnet level could become qualified and confirmed. And somehow head south today, end of day, and close under the disqualified down 1 for trend factor, and the 50% and 100% momentum down for propulsion. Those levels will become qualified. And here's the Qtec index, NDXT. So Qtec is the ETF that tracks this index, and it's consolidating and going sideways right above this level here. That's the 39% average rise. That takes approximately 6 months for the S&P to rise for 11%, and that's concerning breaking out of this one-sided diamond pattern down here. See the attached video link. And the last time we looked at this, the head and shoulders pattern beat this trend line here handily, so I negated the complex head and shoulders topping pattern here, and you can see it faintly here, or see the previous video. And here's the Qtec daily cloud chart. You can see that price, as it's going sideways, is well below the channel 3 high at that level, the upper Stark band at that level, and the upper Bollinger Band at that level. So there's plenty of room to blast to the upside if the beige book report that we mentioned the other day indicates that the Fed is truly done and they're going to start cutting interest rates, which that's a Goldilocks report for today, but at least indicate that they're done raising interest rates and they're on hold for longer or whatever. This will head up. I don't know about skyrocketing, but it has plenty of room to move to the upside. And this is the only S&P 500 daily chart we'll need to look at for today. You can see that I've moved the pitchfork level to track this tremendous uptrend. It was back here with added lines that I added in here and here, and it was anchored at the bottom down here. and then I just slid it forward somewhat. You can see just like sliding this entire fork here forward, anchoring at the top here and the bottom there. So this level for today is 4570.37, and in the pre-market hours it is above that, 4574. And then this level to the bottom is the extension of that broadening top pattern that it broke out of. I'll zoom out a little bit, and that's a better look at this broadening top pattern. Broke out here, fell back under here, but it was pretty good support, was recognized up here. So that level for today is 4518.77. And if price closes above this high where we have it anchored, then we'll move it over and keep following the top of the pitchfork anchor upwards and onwards if that's what happens. If not, and we start heading south, then we have all these other levels will come into play later